How to fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now go ahead and reset your network settings. In order to reset network settings, in settings itself, tap on general and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, tap on the cellular option and scroll down to the bottom and toggle off the button for Wi-Fi assist, as when this toggle button is toggled on your iPhone will automatically use cellular data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. Next, in cellular again, tap on network selection and toggle off the button for automatic and wait for a minute or two and then toggle the button on again, and by now your 5G LTE should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.